Hey guys, Rifki here and welcome back. Today's video is about a product review video. The agent of this product, MARGGOO RGB lighting, he sent me this product to try it on and do a review on that. This is the first time I'm doing a product review video, and this came just right in time because recently I did a complete remake over of my 60 cm tank, and I thought of trying this light on that tank. Hey guys, now it's been exactly 2 weeks since I installed this light, and I see quite a lot of progress and growth in plants. Now that I have tested this product, I can say it's really worth the money. There are other products available in the market which is almost double the price of this product. The plants have grown very well. If you can see the coloring, it's also getting the red color very well. The Rotala rotundifolia is almost reaching the surface just in 2 weeks time, and the hair grass is getting runners as well. I see a lot of new growths within these gaps. These are new growth, you see, shooting out here. This Rotala macrandra SP mini I planted after setting up this light, which is 7 days ago, almost less than 10 days. I planted it from a tissue cultured cup at this level, and see the growth. I'm very happy about that. The roots, you see the roots down there, they're doing great as well. I'm hoping to see this area fully covered just in a month and a half or 2 months time. I will keep you updated on that. You can follow me on Instagram. I will leave a link on the description. I constantly keep posting of my current projects and upcoming projects. If you want to buy this product for your tank, you can contact AJ Traders on their WhatsApp number. They also deal with other MARGGOO products. I will leave a link for their catalog in the description. That's it for now, guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. That really helps to support the channel. Until next time, take care and God bless. Signing off.